How to book a round trip on Uber. What's up everyone? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys if it is possible for you to book a round trip on Uber. But before you get started, I want you to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. Also, hit the bell icon so you get notified about our latest uploads. On that note, let's begin. You first have to open up your Uber app, which is available on both Google Play Store and App Store. So once you open up your app, make sure to log into your account like this. And once you are logged in, you can choose your destination. And once you do that, what you can do is set up your pickup time. And once you set up your pickup time from here, you can book your ride and continue. But as of now, Uber does not have a round trip option on the app. But what you can do is once your ride is booked, you can add different stops and take a few breaks if you want, and depending on that your driver will charge accordingly. But you can request your driver to wait for a while till your work is done to get your Uber back to your original location so that you will get a round trip. But depending on the time that you have your driver has to wait, he will charge you and accordingly. So you just have to make sure to request to him to wait for a while. So as of now, there is no option to book a round trip on Uber. If you found this helpful, hit the like, share, and subscribe button. I will see you on the next one.